Okay guys, so basically I suffer with something called sleep apnea. Now if you've obviously searched for this video, for sleep apnea tips and tricks and stuff like that, then you obviously know that sleep apnea is a sleep disorder that stops you breathing. I'll leave links in the description to the wiki page of sleep apnea. What this video is about today is cleaning your equipment. So this is the mask that I wear. It's obviously got a strap to it. This comes off the actual strap, and it's one of the AirFit ones. My sleep apnea machine is the RestMed CPAP machine, and it comes with a humidifier to stop you basically becoming dry in the night. Now obviously I'm trying to do this one-handed, so I'll try my best to do that. So basically what happens is, when using the sleep apnea machine and you've got the humidifier, you get this like rainbowy colour stain in the bottom of it. I always empty my sleep apnea machine every morning before I come downstairs. I don't leave water in it because obviously it can build up with lime scale. I use boiled water. I don't use distilled water. Distilled water is an option that you can use, but it is expensive to buy. So what I do is I basically clean the sleep apnea machine with distilled vinegar, which is this stuff here. It's pretty cheap. It's about 50 pence a bottle. Just a little bit of that. It is vinegar, so it will basically stink. And then basically give it a bit of a clean, like so. Close it, turn it upside down, give it a bit of a shake around to clean the top. And then try and struggle to reopen it. But yeah, so you clean it with that, and then what I do is I clean it also with just some cheap washing up liquid. So I'll clean it out with that to get rid of the vinegar smell. And that will basically clean out the CPAP machine. I'll clean the mask with that. Don't use very little liquid because it's got like a hand conditioner in it, and it can basically destroy the masks. So the mask will destroy a lot quicker. So that's all I do, is I wash it up with that hot water, soapy water, after I've cleaned it with vinegar, and that's it. And then basically I will put that back on tonight. I have got something called a So Clean, which just disinfects it, which it basically gets rid of any smells. So it will get rid of the washing up liquid smell and stuff like that. So that's all I do, is wash it with the vinegar, and then wash it with washing up liquid, some cheap washing up liquid, something with no sort of like hand conditioner in, and that's it. So if you want to know more about sleep apnea, or want to know a bit more about the machine I use, put a comment in the comment box and I'll reply to you. Thanks very much. Okay guys, so basically that's it clean now. So as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. There's no sort of like rainbow stains. That will last normally about a week or so. I boil my water in bulk, so I use a 4 litre, well actually, it's a 4-pint container of milk. So I use the milk container thing. Give it that. See, this is the mask, nice and clean. Yeah, so that's it. So I mean, my only recommendations with sleep apnea is basically they offer for you to have sort of like mask wipes and stuff like that. And you have to pay about £10 for 100. What I use is I use standard kitchen roll to wipe out the sleep the humidifier. So I want to wipe out the humidifier each morning to dry it out, to make sure it's clean. I'll do the same with the mask, because unfortunately when you sleep, There's a lot of dribble. It's just one of those things with sleep apnea, you can't avoid it, and the mask does get quite wet. So I dry the mask out with kitchen roll. Normally a kitchen roll will last me probably about a month, probably even more, one kitchen roll. So it's very cheap, it's inexpensive, and yeah, so that's what I do with regards to wiping and keeping my sleep apnea stuff all nice and clean. But yeah, that's it. That's my sleep apnea machine clean, the humidifier part of it. I will do the tubing normally once every other month, so it doesn't need that much cleaning. But yeah, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.